In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively add a search icon to your Wix website using editor.wix.com. Our first step in this process will involve opening the Wix Studio. Here is where all the website magic happens. When you access this platform, know that it can be easily navigated to add features such as the search icon. After logging into Wix Studio, the next course of action is selecting your particular website of interest. This can be a website you're currently working on or a website you'd like to improve by adding the search icon. Once identified, you have it all set to progress to the next step. Now, look for the plus icon on your dashboard. It's often easy to find since its primary purpose is to aid you in adding extra features to your site. Go ahead and give that plus icon a good click. This action prompts different possibilities for enhancing your site's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Following the click on the plus icon, now shift your attention to the task pane. This is where all the feature options are displayed. And since our primary focus is the addition of a search icon, start typing Wix Site Search into the input box provided there. Ensure the typing is correct to avoid any misunderstanding by the system. Once you've typed in Wix Site Search, the system will provide you with a suitable match. Among the search results given, you'll find an option labeled as Wix Site Search. Left-click on this option to proceed. After clicking on Wix Site Search, you'll find an option to open it. Go ahead and click on Open. By doing so, you are activating the search icon to be added to your Wix website. This move is crucial as it ensures the icon gets integrated into your website effectively. Now, at this point, this is how the display looks when the search icon is not yet added, so don't be surprised if your display changes after performing this action. In my case, the search icon was already added, so you might see a different scenario if the icon is not present on your site. At the finish line of this process, the search icon is successfully added to your Wix website. You've done quite impressively to reach this stage. Now, feel free to open your site and check out the new addition. Your users can now easily search through your site using this helpful tool. And with that, you've completed the tutorial on how to add a search icon to your Wix website. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to give it another try if you didn't get it at first. That's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more insightful tips on enhancing your website's functionality.